Alright, gonna do a short video today. I've got the cheat code to cool your camper down quicker. It's just facts. Go to rvairflow.com, put in the code Rocky15. Order one for your air conditioner. If you have a custom size that you need, send them an email. They'll build you a custom size one. Okay? It's a styrofoam box. It goes up in the air conditioner. It seals it off. It's got some expanders for the ducts that are usually closed off from the factory. It opens those up. It literally cools it cools our camper down 3 times faster than it did before. You know, if you come into a campsite and you have to open your air dump, you're basically circulating the cold air with the hot right there. It's just making circles. You're not cooling the camper down. So while you're doing that, it's helping you directly under it, but it's literally just creating hot spots in the rest of your camper. This product gets the air circulating like it's supposed to. I can literally stand under this vent right here and I can feel significant draft coming this far away from that vent. It's literally blowing my hair. It's better than standing under an air dome. So, like I said, it's a product that you can install. There's lots of videos. It goes up in here. You just take that plenum out. There's 4 bolts. There's a little metal divider, non-insulated metal divider in there that separates the hot and the cold air. Take it out. This box goes up there completely. Make sure you take your time, seal it off, do a good job on the install. You won't be disappointed. This product is amazing. That's why I'm doing another quick video on it, because it works. You can read the reviews, you can Google it, you can look at it everywhere. Everybody says it's a great product. So, and everybody that's been on my channel that's purchased it, I've gotten a message from them, thank you, that thing's amazing, it cools it down. You know, if you don't live in South Texas, maybe it's not an issue. But if you live where it's hot, and you get out, and you're hooking up your electrical, and your sewer, burning up, you don't want to leave your truck running because you don't make your neighbor mad, but you got a diesel, you want to be able to cool this thing off as quick as you can, get in here, get your family in here, this is the way to do it. RV Airflow, Rocky15. Get you the discount. Guys, it works. I try to do products on my channel that work. If they don't work, I'll go in and delete the video, or I'll go in and take it off, or I'll put that it didn't work out. This product works out. So just wanted to do another quick video on it today. Again, here's the link that we tested, and it has the vent temps. We test the cubic feet per minute, everything. I mean, the facts are there. So RV Airflow, Rocky15, the code. You're gonna order, go for it. You won't be disappointed. Like, thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like down there in the bottom corner. Hit that subscribe. We're gonna catch you on the next one. Drop your comments below. If you got any questions, I'll get them answered for you. Catch you on the next video.